프랑스 파리의 한 기차역. 이곳의 시계탑에는 휴고라는 소년이 살고 있었습니다. 무슨 이유에서인지 시계탑 안에 숨어 살며 그 시계를 관리하고 있었죠. 그런 휴고에게는 가장 중요한 일이 있었는데, 장난감 가게에서 장난감을 훔치는 것이었습니다. 그러나 조르주는 휴고를 기다리고 있었죠.
Not the first time you've stolen from me, is it? My little thief.
You're hurting me!
그렇게 하나둘씩 물건을 꺼내보는데
What are you doing with all these?
노트를 살펴보던 조르주의 표정이 굳어집니다.
Ghosts. Did you draw these pictures?
그의 질문에 대답하지 못하고
Where did you steal this?
Give me my
It's no
notebook!
longer your notebook, it is my notebook, and I'll do with it what I like. Maybe I'll just burn it.
No!
Go!
Millie. Prosody, calamity, corruption. Go!
소리를 듣게 된 경비원은 휴고를 쫓기 시작했죠. 소녀는 자신의 은신처로 몸을 숨기게 됩니다. 그렇게 하루가 지나고
Give me back my notebook.
노트를 되찾기 위해 조르주의 뒤를 쫓아가 보는데
Very odd. He's really upset me. That child.
Who are you? Your grandfather stole my notebook. I've got to get it back before he burns it.
Papa George isn't my grandfather. And he isn't a thief. You're the thief. Why do you need it so badly?
I can't tell you.
Is it a secret? Oh, good. I love secrets. Tell me this instant.
모험을 좋아했던 이사벨은 휴고를 도와줍니다.
I'll make sure he doesn't burn your notebook. Now go.
혼자서 시계탑을 지킨 지도 꽤 된 것 같은데 오늘도 휴고는 로봇을 바라보며 아빠와의 추억을 떠올렸죠.
Found him abandoned in the attic at the museum. He was a wind-up figure, like a music box. This is the most complicated one I've ever seen.
너무 오랜 시간 동안 작동을 할 수 없었던 낡은 기계.
He's badly rusted. Finding parts to fit will be very hard.
휴고는 아빠와 함께 이 로봇을 고치려 했습니다.
Another complication. A keyhole in the shape of a heart.
로봇을 작동시키기 위해 필요했던 하트 무늬의 열쇠. 그러나 갑작스러운 화재로 인하여 아버지를 잃게 되었죠.
I fixed the gears and... Uncle Claude?
It was a fire. Your father's dead.
그렇게 삼촌을 따라 시계탑에서의 생활을 이어갔습니다.
These apartments were built for them that run the station years ago. But everybody's forgotten they're here.
What about school?
You finished with school. There'll be no time for that when you're in them walls.
하지만 그 삼촌마저 사라지면서 혼자가 되었죠. 휴고는 노트를 되찾기 위해 이사벨을 만나는데
All I know is the notebook made him very upset. And he and Mama Jean stayed up very late talking about it.
Why are you helping me?
Because this might be an adventure. And I've never had one before.
자신을 찾아온 휴고에게 무언가를 건네는 조르주.
Fix it.
그동안의 경험으로 장난감을 고치는 휴고.
You've got a bit of talent. Come to the booth every day. I'll decide how long you must work for each item you stole. And it will be up to me to decide when you've earned your notebook, if ever.
그렇게 휴고는 장난감 가게에서 일을 하게 되었고, 조르주를 통해 카드 맛을 또한 배울 수 있었죠. 아빠와의 약속대로 로봇을 고치고 있었지만
Is it?
하트무늬의 열쇠는 찾을 수가 없었습니다. 그러던 어느 날 어슬렁거리던 고아 소년이 경비원에게 붙잡히게 되었죠.
Excellent. We're straight to the orphanage with you, isn't it?
자신 또한 저렇게 될까봐 두려움에 떨고 있는 휴고.
So, and theft this time. His hand was trespassing inside a paper bag. The object of his plunder? A pastry. Quiet!
Robin Hood. I saw this movie.
I've never seen a movie. Papa George won't let me. He's very strict about it.
I love the movies. Do you want to have an adventure?
이사벨을 위해 모험을 결심합니다.
That's how you know it's an adventure.
극장에 몰래 숨어들어 영화라는 것을 처음 보게 된 이사벨.
How did you two rats get in here?
둘은 그렇게 가까워지며 서로의 부모님이 돌아가셨다는 것을 알게 되었죠.
Hugo. Where do you live?
There. My uncle taught me how to run the clocks, so I just keep on doing it.
그런데 기차에서 내린 사람들에게 떠밀리게 된 이사벨. 정말 우연히 발견하게 된 하트무늬의 열쇠.
Where did you get this?
None of your business.
My father was fixing it before he died.
아빠와의 추억이 담겨져 있던 로봇을 어떻게든 고치고 싶었던 휴고. 드디어 작동하는 로봇. 무언가를 그리기 시작하는데 완성된 그림은 정체를 알 수 없는 괴상한 그림이었죠. 그리고 조르주의 이름을 적어가는 로봇.
Why would your father's machine sign Papa George's name?
There was a message from my father. And now we have to figure it out.
아이들은 조르주를 찾아가지만 그는 자리에 없었고 그의 아내에게 먼저 그림을 보여줍니다.
What have you done? Where did you get this?
A mechanical man drew it.
Did you have him?
My father found him in a museum.
The key I gave you. Can't dredge up the past now. Whatever happens, you don't let Papa George see it.
서둘러 휴고를 내보내려 했지만
Who's Papa George?
Not a noise from either of you.
She looked at the armoire.
장식장에서 발견한 수상한 상자. 그 상자 안에는 익숙한 그림도 들어있었죠.
Stop! This is your work!
My work? What am I? Nothing but a penniless merchant, a broken, wind-up toy.
그림을 보고 슬퍼하는 조르주. 휴고는 그곳에서 아무것도 할 수 없었습니다. 그렇게 다음날 그림의 정체를 알아보기 위해 도서관으로 향한 두 사람.
The story of the first movies.
In 1895, one of the very first films ever shown was called A Train Arrives in the Station.
The audience screamed because they thought they were in danger of being run over.
계속해서 책을 보고 있던 이들은 찾고 있던 그림을 발견하게 되었죠.
The filmmaker, Georges Méliès, was one of the first to realize that
The great pioneer of early filmmaking died during the Great War.
died.
그리고 그것을 지켜보고 있던 책의 저자 타바르.
Méliès alive?
가족을 따라 조르주를 보았던 그는 그곳에서 처음으로 꿈을 가지게 되었습니다.
If you've ever wondered where your dreams come from, you look around. This is where they're made.
In the end, he made over 500 movies. He was phenomenally popular in his day.
Why did he stop?
Up until today, I believe that he died in the war. This is the only one that we know of that survived. It is a masterpiece.
사람이 쓰임을 잃으면 쓸모 없어지는 걸까?
If you lose your purpose, it's like you're broken.
Like Papa Georges?
Maybe we can fix him.
Is that your purpose? Fixing things?
Right after my father died, I'd come up here a lot. I'd imagine the whole world was one big machine. Machines never come with any extra parts, you know. They always come with the exact amount they need. So I figured if the entire world was one big machine, I couldn't be an extra part. I had to be here for some reason. And that means you have to be here for some reason too.
그날 밤 휴고는 뜻하지 않게 악몽을 꾸게 되고 집 나갔던 삼촌의 시신이 강가에서 발견되며 이제는 정말로 혼자가 되었습니다.
If he is deceased, then who has been winding the clocks?
이 사실을 모르고 있던 휴고는 타바르와 함께 조르주를 찾아가는데
Isabel, what's the meaning of this?
My husband's sleeping. He hasn't been well. When I was a boy, I saw all his films. You are as lovely now as you were in the movies.
You were an actress.
Would you like to meet her again?
You were an actress, a real cinema actress. It's impossibly romantic, Mama.
It wasn't like that.
영사기를 통해 보여지는 영화를 보며 지나간 세월을 기억하는 그녀.
It's in colour.
But of course, we tinted the film. We painted it by hand, frame by frame.
Mama, it's you. You were beautiful.
She still is.
과거의 아픈 기억들을 외면하고 싶었지만 이제는 용기를 내보기로 합니다.
I started out as a magician. Parmesan was my assistant. We were very successful, I must say. We even had our own theatre. Once I even built a working automaton. Ah, he was a particular treasure. I put my heart and soul into him.
그러던 어느 날 서커스를 구경하고 있던 조르주는 영사기를 보게 되었죠.
I asked the Lumiere brothers to sell me a camera, but they refused, you see. They were convinced the movies were only a passing fad and they saw no future in it. or so they said. In the end, I built my own camera, using leftover pieces from the automaton. I just had to be a part of this new wonder. We risked everything. We sold the theatre and everything we had, so we could build our own movie studio.
Excellent, lovely.
마술에서 사용했던 기술들을 영화에 넣어서 새로운 세계를 만들어 갔습니다.
Excellent, setting back.
그런데 제1차 세계대전으로 인하여 그의 꿈도 모두 불타버렸죠.
The returning soldiers, having seen so much of reality, were bored by my films.
And so my enchanted castle fell to ruin. Everything was lost. I was forced to sell my movies to a company that melted them down into chemicals. These chemicals were used to make shoe heels. With a little money I had from selling my films, I bought the toy booth, and there I have remained.
The only thing I couldn't bring myself to destroy was my beloved automaton. My life has taught me one lesson, Hugo, and not the one I thought it would. Happy endings only happen in the movies.
I'll be right back.
조르주에게 로봇을 보여주고 싶었던 휴고는 경비원에게 붙잡혀버리고
Did you think you'd escape me?
Let me go!
What's the boy done?
Let me go!
Headed straight to the orphanage with you.
그가 한눈을 팔자 휴고만의 기술로 이곳을 벗어납니다.
Me to be the godfather. Maximilian! Move aside!
끈질기게 쫓아오는 이들 때문에 시계탑의 바깥으로 몸을 숨기는데 그렇게 로봇을 챙겨서 돌아가려 하지만 로봇이 철로에 빠지게 되고 위기의 순간
We'll let the orphanage deal with you.
오랜 시간 동안 혼자서 로봇을 고쳐왔던 휴고.
Listen to me, please, please listen to me. I don't understand why my father died. Why I'm alone. It is my only chance to work.
이제는 사람의 마음을 고치기 위해 기회를 달라 말합니다. 그것이 자신의 쓰임이었으니까요.
I do. This child belongs to me.
I'm sorry. He's broken.
No, he's not. He worked perfectly.
그렇게 시간이 흘러 조르주의 작품들이 복원되어 공개되자 사람들은 그를 인정해주기 시작했죠.
I am standing before you tonight because of one very brave young man. And against all odds, he fixed it. Come and dream with me.
그리고 많은 사람들 앞에서 조르주의 영화가 상영되었습니다. 영화의 메시지는 이렇습니다. 우리 모두는 이 세상에 꼭 필요한 사람들이라고 말이죠.
I met a boy named Hugo Cabret. He lived in a train station.
I'm just a boy who's been...
대부분의 사람들은 걱정합니다. 자신이 쓸모없어지는 것이 아닐까 하는 두려움 때문이죠. 어떻게든 이 두려움을 이겨보려 하지만 두려움을 이길 수 없게 만드는 외로움이 자신의 발목을 붙잡기도 합니다. 너는 혼자이기 때문에 쓸모없는 사람이 되었다고 말이죠. 아무도 너를 원하지 않을 것이라고 말입니다. 하지만 여러분, 세상이 기계와 같다면 사람은 어딘가에 쓰임이 있는 중요한 부품이라는 휴고의 말처럼 희망적인 생각만 해주셨으면 좋겠습니다.
And that means you have to be here for some reason too.
이 세상엔 결단코 필요 없는 사람은 없습니다. 왜냐하면 세상이라는 커다란 기계에는 불필요한 부품이 들어있지 않기 때문이죠. 그러니까 여러분들은 그만큼 어딘가에 필요하고 중요한 사람들인 것입니다. 리필드 재영은 그런 여러분들의 인생을 응원하도록 하겠습니다. 지금까지 리필드 재영이었습니다.
We'll be alright if you put your